Hi guys, this is Brittany's channel, and today I'm reacting to my sister's YouTube video, and I already know what it is. It's a mukbang, as y'all can see by the title if it says it. And she do got an intro, that's why I just paused it. Like, comment, subscribe, don't forget, and I can do more reactions, or I can do game videos. So let's just finish. That's the intro. Chicken and rice with crackers. He's putting it in the microwave.
You sleep.
Sorry.
Yes, you was, but I was doing this, doing
Y'all can tell he always messing with her. Right there. He is always like.
Rosie.
I called her and then I FaceTime her and then them two, they were both doing this, like they were saying, yo mama so this, yo la 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 la. They were going against each other on rap battle. So
Sorry. You gotta sit.
she's a crackhead.
Every now and then I try with the crackers. They look so good when Kiki done it. Yeah. I give you that back. Oh. Wow. Good.
It must be good. Maybe I can do a mukbang like that, but I don't know yet.
You might put some mushrooms in it.
She's talking to somebody on beside her, and yeah, so that's how it started. It started when her intro. I didn't know that she had an intro either.
No, I didn't call her. I had called Jerome.
She's in this video. She said she called it my brother Trevon, but yeah, and she will be coming to for Thanksgiving. I'll see her, so I could do videos with her. It flew out of her head. That was funny. It rolled like this. It's a. She finna get it too.
No. You don't want to stay with Trevon? I just playing. Yeah, I do Monday and Tuesday with my mom.
Do Sunday and Monday with your mom, or do Tuesday with Kim?
Picking people for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday for the Thanksgiving break to you. That's what she doing.
That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money.
Oh, wait a minute. Marayla, if you watching this, yeah, I'm reacting to your mukbang. Cause you did the meat prank on me, and next time I'm gonna record it, and you right there, you will get in trouble. Cause I'm gonna do the prank on you.
I guess I'll stay up there forever. Yeah. Oh. And Jack probably will. And you probably will. Oh. Walk. Walk. It's actually good. You gonna make me want some more.
This make me want some. I'm gonna try it. She said you gonna make me want some more. So yeah.
Richardson. No, Richardson. Richardson. Freshman? Richardson. I don't know what it look like. He got braids.
Oh, they talking about like a teacher.
Hi, I'm Johnny. If you're on Medicare,
I have no training, nothing. I think maybe so.
this year Medicare Advantage plans are
That right there, I need to try that to my camera. Like I need to start trying to go like that, and then it automatically, it just automatically turns. Cause I gotta pause it out. They can pause my videos, and yeah. So let's finish this right here. We got a little bit to go. Shaking it.
Got great.
I think that's great Kool-Aid because she's shaking it.
Yeah.
Call the number on your screen now. It's free. Call 800-491-7000.
Yeah, I got to shake it.
800-491-7000.
RJ Simmons.
Because you don't have to wait until Black Friday.
I'm playing against him right now.
Black Friday. Save instantly on top-rated appliances like the Samsung Kitchen Package and the Home Depot. Or Sit, or Do It.
So, Carrie, tell me how was your day? Okay. So,
This is exactly what I want y'all to do to my videos. Turn and go subscribe. But yeah.
I said what class 7 you? Okay. Well, you better miss Brown. You outside the room.
Ooh.
Could someone be stealing your identity or hacking into your phone or laptop? It can actually happen from across the room or from
My phone on 85% and 7.
you trust with your personal information.
96.
Your information is in more places than ever. You need more protection than ever. That's why Norton and LifeLock are now part of one company, providing an all-in-one
At 7:29, I gotta go.
cyber safety. New Norton 360 with LifeLock gives you identity theft protection, device security, a VPN for online privacy, and more.
You know that they say, oh, yeah,
Ways to steal your personal information. You
Who
might
said
not
that?
even
I
know
don't
until
know.
it's too
You
late.
don't know? Y'all know everybody?
Taxes undermining
That's
$6,000
$20.
was sent to some anonymous person, some anonymous bank account.
You know the word, oh, yeah.
That's what I'm saying. Everybody asks too much questions. That's enough. That is enough of questions. I know what she's trying to say. People are always asking questions, and that's true. So, in life.
No, do you know the word stop asking me questions?
That's something I should be telling.
Now and use promo code MyPromo to save 25% off your first year. All Norton 360 with LifeLock memberships include LifeLock Identity Theft Protection, backed by our $1 million protection package, and U.S.-based restoration specialists who work to fix problems. Award-winning Norton device security for multiple devices.
That is
A
pretty
VPN
cute.
for online privacy, securing your connections with
You got nothing for me about some cyber kids?
and more.
Oh, I
Never know where cyber threats are lurking these days.
Okay.
Don't wait to become a victim. Here's how to join. New Norton 360 with LifeLock. Call 1-800.
I'm gonna have to ask
or visit
my sister that at the school.
LifeLock.com. Use promo code MyPromo to save 25% off your first year and get a free shredder with annual membership.
Marilla, my day was good.
Jimmy, you open it?
Now she just taking some gobbles.
Yeah.
Yep, she is drinking some gobbles. Let's finish. the one with that suit? That's Daddy. The one black suit. That's Daddy. Black and red, that's Daddy. And that's the one right here by really soon. But that's Daddy. I know that. Because he look like himself. He look like that. That's creative. You know, some people look like them when they were a baby. I don't know where. I didn't look like myself. That right there, that was cool. I need to start doing that too. I'm being a copycatter too. Nisha too. She said bye, like, comment, and subscribe.
Bitch, I'm the boy. Who the fuck is you, nigga? SOB that.
Oh God, I need to cut that out. I don't listen to that like that.
Y'all ain't fucking with my crew, nigga. Day ones only. I don't really fuck with new niggas. Chopping like a dot touch William.
The teacher.
Are you sure you're having a meeting down your cellar? Well, it's awful quiet.
How about y'all do? Good. And then that's the end of her video, so yeah. Like and subscribe to this video I just did, and how was y'all day? Yeah. Like, comment, and subscribe like I always do at the end of my video. Peace and peace out. Peace. Thank you guys for watching. You know what? I want to say thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more videos. And love you guys. And I want you to like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, let's finish her video. Bye. Just for a little bit until I get done. I think this video is done.